Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss very important question in interview. They are asking we have to write a program to find the three element whose sum is 20, or they can ask whose sum is any number. So if you see like a sub, if I'm starting from the 0th index 371, so if I sum this one I'll not get 20. So like this, if else try to sum 3 or 7, 10 and 5. Also it's not 20. So I have to find such a pair to like a, such a element XYZ element whose sum is a 20. So if we see 7, 8 and 5. So if I sum this one, I'll get the 20. I have to write such kind of a program, and we have to think like optimized way. We have to use complexity, less number of complexity we have to use, and time complexity also we have to take care. So I'm going to write one program for this one. Yeah. So I'll create a for loop first. Yeah. For loop. My system. So I have created now for loop. Now what I'm going to do, I have to see, I have to traverse from the first index and to last index, from first to last index. Similar way from last to first index, I have to check each and every element. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one start index and last index. So integer start index equal to 1, and last index length minus 1. Total length I have to see, length minus 1. Now I have to use here for loop. Okay, so I want to see start index and bit and index between which element like a sum is a 20. So if you see, if I'll start a while loop, my start index, yeah, so here I'll check start and less index. So start index is a less than the end index. Second index, last index. Start index and less than equal to last index. Then what I have to do here, I have to sum this value. So integer sum, and I have to see whatever that numbers I have got, copy numbers, control B. Now I have to see first index value I have to take. Okay, I have taken first index value. Now start index, I have starting from the first one, so I'll take this start index value also, plus number. Okay, plus and last index also. Now if sum of these three element is a 20, whatever, I'm giving any number of target value. If it's a 20, then I have to print, otherwise I have to go. So here I'm going to write if my sum equal to target, then print this value like a xyz element. So I am going to write this value. Yeah, so I'll get this value. So now if sum is a 20, I'll get this value. If okay, if it's not there, then what I have to do, I have to increase the index. If my sum is a less than the target value, then I have to increase the index. Okay, so my sum equal to target, I can print, I can return it from here. If it's not, then what do, I'll go in this if condition. If my sum less than, if my sum is less than the target value, then I'm going to increase the my index. So start index, if you see start index, I'll copy this value and I'll increase this value x plus plus. Okay, now again what I'm going to do reverse now. So here, if my sum greater than target value, then I'm going to decrease this last index. I have to decrease it. So last index, this one copy. Now that's it. Now we'll see the output. Let me save this one. So here you can see guys, my output is a 785. Now here I have optimized the code also. Okay, I have not used unnecessary 3 for loop. Okay, only one for loop, one while loop, and based on that I am trying to find a element. So this question is asked by one of the company, I remember, Zensar technology, and one more company, they have asked this question, like a for a visa company. So that's all from my side for this question. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this one.